Hey, Dad, what are you feeling? Son, I'm not feeling so good. Are you feeling sick or something, Dad? Son, I'm getting ready for sneeze in a few minutes. That's it, Dad. I will tell my sister about this. Hey, my older brother, Eric. Hi, my sister, Sophia. What's my father feeling? He's feeling sick or something. He is going to get sneeze in a few minutes, okay, Eric, my brother? Okay, my sister Sophia. Watch this. Look, my sister Sophia. Look, he's going ready for sneeze. Okay. Ha! 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 Achoo! It's okay, Dad. You have a sneeze all the time? Yeah. Hey, Dad, did you sneeze me and my sister? Yeah, son. And my daughter. I sneezed. So sorry. Sorry for sneezing with my older brother, Eric. Sorry for having sneezed at my sister. I'm sorry, my daughter and my son. Thanks for sorry for having sneezed on your kids. I'm sorry, Dad. You sneezed on me and my sister. Do you want some tissue instead? Sure, my son Eric. So, I'm going to sneeze with my nose because I'm very sick. Apology accepted, Dad. Apology accepted, Dad. Thank you, my son and daughter.